How to see external funds on Steam. Hey everyone, if you're wondering how you can see the external funds on your Steam account, just follow these simple steps. First thing you have to do is have the Steam application downloaded to your device. And once you have the application, just open it up. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, what you're going to do is find the help section at the top right besides games. Click on it. And then from here, you're going to have to go inside Steam support. So click on Steam support. And once your Steam supports pops up, all you have to do is scroll down a bit until you find My Account. So go ahead and click on My Account. And then from here, you're going to have to select another topic. So you're going to have to click on data related to your Steam account. Once you get here, you can find other stuff like general account access, purchase history, and many more stuff. And here you will find the option called external funds used, and it is right below video encrypted content. So click on this, and you're going to have to sign into your Steam account. Then you will easily be able to view your external Steam funds. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one.